What's up everybody, this is Metal Team Maniac here, and I'm about to show you how to play the rest of the Cemetery Gates solo. I did a lesson on the legato lick when I was like 16 years old. That was like 4 years ago, and a lot of people have been asking about the rest of it, and I've just gotten either busy or lazy or I don't know, not had a camera or something. Something always came up. So I got a free day today, and I'm about to show y'all how to play the rest of the Cemetery Gates solo by Pantera. It starts out on the B string on the first fret, but he slides to the second one, so it's going to go from a C to a C sharp. 2, 3, 5, and then bend up a full step to an F sharp. And then just descends back. So it's 2, 3, 5, bend up a full step to an F sharp, back down to the E, which is the 5th fret on the B string, and then 3rd fret, and then back to the 2nd fret. So, and then he slides back to the 2nd fret again, and then to the E string, the 5th fret, which is an A. So 2 on the B, 5 on the E, and then twice, which is the 4th fret on the E string, or a G sharp, if you want to call it that. So far we got and again. And then on the B string, it's going to go to the 5th fret, or the E, and it's going to stretch to the 9th fret on the E string. So and you let those two ring together. And then we're going to go to the 9th fret on the B string and the 12th fret on the E string, kind of the same pattern here. We're just going to go to this. So 9 on B, 12 on E, and then 10 on the E string, 10, 9 on E, and then 12, back to the 9 on the E, 12 on the B string, I'm sorry. So which is 10, 9 on the E, and then 12 on B, and then 9 on E, and then 10 on B. So that whole thing is so far. And that is a pull off. And then kind of a staccato, kind of like a little clown. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so it's 10, 9 on the B, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7. So far we got pull off, and then 7th fret on the B string, slide up to it, and then 7th fret on the E string. So 7, 5, or 7, 7 on E and B, and then bend up a full step on the 7th fret. You bend to a full step on the 7th fret on the B string. So hold that, and then to do it again, and then hammer on, hammer onto the 8th fret, but while you're bending up a full step, so you have an extra, almost be like a 1 1/4 bend. So, oops. And then you resolve on the 5th fret of the B string. Remember, that's an E note if you know the notes. And then the legato lick is there. So far we got legato lick, which if you look at my channel, there's one that says the right way to play cemetery gates. Legato lick, that is what is next, and that part is, I'm just going to go over it briefly. Alright, and then you start on the big E string on the 12th fret, and you're just going to go by half steps. So it's going to go 12, and you're going to pick every one of these notes, alternate pick. So 12, 13, 14, 15, and then on the A string, same thing. And then you slide and make it, instead of 12, 13, 14, 15, it'll be 13, 14, 15, 16. So, and then 13, 14, 15, 16 on the D string. So here we go. Get that? And then it's going to bar, kind of a little double stop blues. So, and that is 14th fret on the G string and on the B string. So, and then on the D string, that's going to be 16th fret. So a little bar on the G and B string, and a single note, that's going to be the 14th fret, and then the 16th fret is the, and you got to bend it like Daryl. And then a very, very famous rock / blues lick is something like this. It's just a very popular lick. They do it in or A. It's the same kind of lick. Leonard Skinner, you know, Kirk Hammett does that a lot. So you're going to be on, since we're in F sharp minor, is the scale that the song is in. You're going to do on the G string. You're going to be on the 16th fret, and you're going to bend up a full step. You can see that 16th fret, bend up a full step, which the 14th fret of the B string, that's the same note. So G string, 16th fret, bend up a full step is the same note as the 14th fret on the B string. Alright, so the lick goes, which is the 14th fret on the E string. So G string, 16th fret, bend up, and then 14th fret on the B string, and then 14th fret on the E string. Okay? And then you're going to pull off from the 17th fret, 17th to the 14th fret on the B string, and that's the lick. So okay, so bend back up from the 17th fret a full step. So on the B string. Pull off, and then 17th fret on the B string, bend up. So bend up, full step to an F sharp. Got that? And you end on the that note right there. Alright. Now, this next part, there's a lot of controversy over it. Tabs show all different kinds of ways to play this next part. The way that I play it, I feel like that's the closest thing to what he does. And it's a long stretch. So you got the 12th fret on the E string, which is an F sharp. No, I'm sorry, not the 12th, the 14th. F sharp. And that's going to be the 21st fret. So 14th to 21st fret. And it's going to pull off and pick. It's kind of a weird note. So, Alright, so far the whole solo we've got